Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I am going to go over a coin called Phantasma. I'm going to explain to you why I think this is probably going to be potentially one of the better plays in the cryptocurrency market once they go bullish. I have various reasons. I'm going to explain to you why. I do like this coin. This is a good, in my opinion, a good coin. They have made it through the bear market, has potentials. They've had issues. They fixed them. You checked into it. I've been keeping my tabs on Phantasma because I like this coin. Okay, so it's traded 29 cents today, 11.2% down. Not a surprise for the markets. The only thing I see as a negative with Phantasma is only on KuCoin. Okay, once this coin gets some traction and you start seeing in other exchanges, like if it starts popping into maybe Binance, FTX, anything like this coin has the potential to really, really move, in my opinion. All right, guys. They have only 44.7 thousand followers on Twitter. It's a very, in my opinion, this coin is an underlooked. Nobody's paying attention to this one. Okay, I think this one's they can do it. I really like this one. This one I think this is the coin I think can surprise people. So here's the deal. I had to update the charts because I decided to take a look at Phantasma on CoinTrader Pro, and the picture is completely different, as you can see. The wholly different picture as over here on CoinTrader Pro. Don't use this. Don't use this CoinTrader Pro, or not CoinTrader Pro. Excuse me. Don't use TradingView for these smaller alts, guys. Don't use them. You can wreck yourself. You can wreck yourself if you're looking at it long term. So here's the deal with Phantasma. Phantasma made what's called a leading diagonal. Okay, if you watch my previous videos, leading diagonals are good places to be while you're in the coin. It's a good place to be. Obviously, they're a mode of wave. The good thing about a leading diagonal is that once they complete this leading diagonal and it completes its second correction, this one is going into a third wave, and the third waves can be explosive. So this is telling me, because of the structure and setup, that Phantasma may be doing something pretty good on the horizons coming up. Okay, so obviously this is not financial advice. This is edutainment only. Make sure you do your own research and check into stuff before you start putting your hard-earned money into a coin like this. All right, guys. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I've checked the mode of waves out. It's a contracting, this is an expanding diagonal. This is an expanding diagonal, okay? So the 1 is shorter than the 3, and the 3 is shorter than the 5. All right, it's what the motive. And you can see the wave 4 came right on top of the price territory of wave 1. That's what they like to do in diagonals. And then also over here too, these waves on the diagonals, they like to come right back on their next correction to the bottom of the wave 4 or the top of the wave 1 over here. That's where they like to correct to. I've checked the Fibonacci's, which I'm going to show you, and that's where it's targeting, right in this area. So this all makes sense to me now that I'm on the correct chart looking at all the data for Phantasma. So now that I have this data with Phantasma, I am even more pumped up for this coin. So let's take a look at a 3-day chart, guys. You see down here, that third wave came down. This third wave right here that it came down on, it took everything out right over here. So you can see the start of its correction right over there on the RSI, came over there, took everything out. Now everybody's wondering what's going on over here. I'm going to explain to you what I think is going on over here. You want to be careful right now. I don't think Phantasma is done with this correction. I think it still has another leg down. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that I think that it does. So I wouldn't jump in just quite yet. Not financial advice. So let's go over the correction, guys. Take a look at that. I'm going to the 12-hour chart. There's no other way to break this down right here for this. This is a five-wave sequence. You can see deepest peak on the RSI for a third wave, swung back up on the fifth, and there's a 5-wave move down there. Okay, it doesn't follow all the rules, but wave 4 came in the price territory of wave 1, so it's a diagonal. Doesn't follow, like I said, it doesn't follow all the rules. So you got somebody else who could go break that down differently. They can have at it. They can have at it. So, and then it's right here. It says connector wave, and then it has a wave that's coming down in here, and it's making a mess. I'm gonna break this down to you. I can show you guys something. Here's the deal. This right here it's not completed, and it's not complete here. I'm going to show you why. It's because this is 1, 2, 1, 2. You cannot call this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's something new. The reason why is that this wave right here is the shortest wave out of these waves, okay? So through the process of elimination, this is not a wave 3. The only thing this can be is 1, 2, 1, 2. And what Sol Phantasma, in my opinion, is doing is what some other cryptocurrencies are doing. So this is another 1, 2. That's a third wave. That's a fourth. And potentially the fourth wave could have ended right there for that sequence. Okay. And I had a concern. I was looking at this on TradingView. This went up too high. And I was like, this can't be a diagonal. It's not possible. It went up too high. So there's another sequence behind it. 1, 2, 3. And it's making another fourth wave bounce, guys. You come right back down. All right. So that's what I think that it's doing. And I think there's going to be more downside right to this area for Sol Phantasma, guys. So take a look at this. I'll show you the fib retracement on this wave. Logarithmic. Sol Phantasma likes to hit logarithmic, guys. I'm going to check that wave to the top of that wave. And you can see right in that area, 1.618. That would be the target, right? This area right there. Okay. Look at that, 1.618. Look where it hits, right over here. Boom, boom, right on top. Boom, 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 right there. Right there. Hey, my crystal ball could be wrong, but I have a feeling Sol Phantasma is going to 12 or 13 cents. That's what I suspect. And then also, too, if you take a look at this on logarithmic for its whole wave, let's go back out to the 3-day chart. Take a look at this right here. I'm going to do a retrace on the whole wave, just like so, okay? And 0.618, right in that area, guys. It's already hit 50%, good, and then 618. So this box area, you could see it go down, wick down to 10 cents, okay? You can see it go down to 10 cents. So I think this is a fake out down here in the RSI. It's going to come back down. You'll see it. It won't go as deep as that probably, but it'll be down here in that area, more or less is what I'd be looking for. And that would be telling me that if it's down here and it didn't take that out, that is a fifth wave. Now, if the RSI comes down here and takes it all out, then you have a different sequence. You have to reinvestigate it. Okay. So with Sol Phantasma, what is it doing? This will be your wave 1, correct to wave 2, and it'll go into a wave 3. Okay. And there's a potential, like I said, since this is a leading diagonal, there's a potential that in areas of this third wave, which is going to be a lot longer than this first wave, okay, guys? So you have a first wave that Sol Phantasma went through. It took it 633 days. So you can expect this to be probably at least 1,000 days or more, possibly. And it's going to have, in this area, in this waves, not saying off of here, but areas of this wave, don't know yet, it's going to have more explosiveness than it did over here. More than likely, okay? So my initial first wave of the target that it could do is from basically, 14, 15 cents from that area back up to $5. So you could be looking at a run for Sol Phantasma of 3,400% potentially with this wave. If the crypto markets are going to be going bullish, like I suspect that Bitcoin, in my opinion, I'm still expecting one more leg down for Bitcoin. I could be wrong about that. I don't think the bottom's in. And then if it's Bitcoin is bullish, Ethereum's are bullish, this target right here for a coin like that, I don't see that being an issue. Not at all, guys. All right, guys, that's the end of my video for Sol Phantasma. If you made it all to the end, do me a favor, drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.